Let's see where we stand now about skepticism. First of all, first argument leaves us with the conclusion, I don't know any contingent truths about the future. Okay, well, a lot of people can live without their knowledge of the future. Some people, for other reasons, will probably hit a few of those when it comes to freedom and determinism. And maybe when we talk about God's knowledge, we're going to hit the same issue. But a lot of people, can live with that one. But wait, the second argument showed that we don't know anything about the past. That one, pretty big issue. We don't know anything. Don't take any more history courses, guys, because you can't know anything about the past. Although I guess history, the discipline now changes. It's no longer giving you knowledge about the past, but telling you nice stories about the past. So I guess it's like an English class to some extent. They're telling you nice stories. Not facts. Don't have knowledge. And now the third argument gets us to the point where we don't know anything about the external world. That is, anything outside the contents of our mind. We know nothing whatsoever, because everything about the external world we know how? Through perception. You can say, wait, not through perception. My mother told me that there's a world out there. Well, wait a second. Your mother told you? How did she tell you? Did she zap you in your mind? No, you heard her speaking, right? So again, it's through perception. So you really don't know anything about the external world. The conclusion at this point is none of the sources of, or the ordinary sources that we think about, of empirical knowledge. What are those? Are trustworthy. What are those sources? Perception. Right? Tells us what we see out there. Memory, what's happened. Even our ability to predict things, that when I say prediction, I'm not talking about through a crystal ball. A lot of us think that we've noticed regularities in the world that surrounds us, and based on that we know what's going to happen. Like that the sun's going to rise in the morning. So our skeptical conclusions are we don't know any of these things. And empirical knowledge, the sources of empirical knowledge are just not trustworthy, and we don't have any empirical knowledge about the world.